At midnight, Mark crept through the overgrown courtyard, eyes fixed on the silent bell tower looming above. Locals whispered it hadn't rung in decades, ever since the caretaker vanished. Daring himself, Mark entered and climbed the spiral stairs, dust swirling with each step. At the top, he reached out and pulled the frayed rope. A thunderous toll echoed, shattering the silence. Mark grinned, until he heard footsteps behind him. Turning, he saw dozens of shadowy figures, faces twisted in agony. They whispered in unison, "Thank you for waking us." The bell rope coiled around his wrist, pulling him into the darkness.